I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that, in a perfect world, would come with every cast iron skillet. It is a pan scraper. A lot of people will debate the best way to care for and season cast iron, but everyone agrees that they should never touch soapy water. This makes cleaning them a challenge though, especially if you have some burnt, baked on crud. This pan scraper from Lodge is a simple but effective tool for degunking cast iron, or really any cookware. Though it can melt, so don't use this on a hot pan. The big advantage to using this instead of a spatula or your fingernail is the shape. You have a flat side and a curved side, and the edges are rounded in just the right way to clear out the curves in your pan. And outside of cooking, I see a lot of reviews from people who use these for removing stickers from cars without damaging the paint or glass. It's one of those cheap but immediately useful tools you'll wish you'd gotten years ago. You can pick it up using the link in the description. And remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.